Hello dear students. In the last video lecture we have already discussed about the virtual displacement, virtual work and generalized coordinates, generalized velocity, generalized displacement. And next concept is generalized acceleration. Right? Here generalized acceleration is equal to the time derivative of the generalized velocity. In general we are going to represent it as this is a velocity. Velocity is nothing but a dx divided by dt. X is nothing but some displacement, means the rate of change of displacement with respect to time. And similarly in the same manner acceleration is nothing but a rate of change of velocity with respect to time, that is nothing but a acceleration. So here generalized acceleration is equal to the time derivative of the generalized velocity. Let us consider a system of n particles, and the velocity of the in that the velocity of the ith particle of the system is given by, and already we know that the generalized velocity in the previous video lecture, that is vi is nothing but that is equal to ri dot. Ri dot is nothing but what? This is a velocity, right? So that generalized velocity we are going to represent in this way. Those who don't know about this one, just have to go through the generalized velocity expression. So this is a generalized velocity expression: summation over j1 to n dou ri divided by dou qj q dot j plus dou ri divided by dou t. This is a equation number 1. We know the generalized velocity expression, so actually we want generalized acceleration, so we need to differentiate equation number 1 with respect to time t. Then we get ai is nothing but this is the acceleration, that is equal to r double dot. This r dot is nothing but a velocity, r double dot is nothing but a acceleration, right? So now we are going to differentiate this expression d with respect to time, d by dt, and again this is a same relation: summation over j1 to n dou ri divided by dou qj q dot j plus dou ri divided by dou t. Now after the differentiation, so I am going to take d by dt inside, so dou by dou qj as it is, so differentiation of this term dou ri dot divided by dou qj, we can interchange it, even we can interchange this in this way: dou ri divided by dou q, or we can write it as a dou q divided by dr divided by dt. So dou by dou q, this is a r dot. So in this way we have interchanged this one, so we got dou ri dot divided by dou qj and q dot j as it is, plus summation of, this is a two terms. I am going to take this term as it is. Now I am going to differentiate this with respect to time. Then summation over j1 to n dou ri divided by dou qj q double dot j. Okay, so the differentiation of this term becomes q double dot with respect to time, plus, and again in the same manner, so dou ri dot divided by dou t, right? So here I have taken it as a dou by dou t outside and dr I divided by dt inside. So we got dou, this term becomes r dot and dou t, right? This is the equation number 2. Now here there is r dot, here also there is r dot. Now we are going to replace this r dot with equation number 1. So now I am going to put r dot expression in equation number 2. So what we will get? So this is a acceleration ai dot, sorry, ai is equal to summation over j1 to n dou by dou qj. I am going to take outside and just I am substituting this r dot value, so I am going to write this equation number 1, means this value here, summation over and I am going to replace j, this index, into k, changing the index j to k, right? Why I am changing? Because already j is there, so again, so that's why I am changing j to k. Summation over k 1 to n dou ri dot by dou q dot k plus dou ri dot by dou t. Here I am substituting this r dot value in this expression and changing the index j to k. So I have substituted, and next this term as it is, q dot j plus and summation over j 1 to n dou ri divided by dou qj q double dot j, this term as it is, plus dou by dou t I have taken common outside. Then just I am going to substitute ri dot value here, summation over k 1 to n dou ri divided by dou qk q dot k plus dou ri divided by dou t, right? Now I am going to take this summation outside, then summation over j 1 to n summation over k 1 to n, then this dou by dou qj I am going to take inside, so it becomes dou square ri divided by dou qj and dou qk into qk dot, and this term is also come inside qj dot, plus summation over j 1 to n only for this dou square ri divided by dou qj dou t, and this term q dot j, plus this relation as it is, summation over j 1 to n dou ri divided by dou qj q double dot j, and plus I am going to take this summation outside, summation over k 1 to n dou square ri divided by dou qk and dou t q dot k plus dou square ri divided by dou t square, right? Now I am going to rewrite this relation in this way. Just I am going to take this term first, summation over j 1 to n dou ri divided by dou qj double dot plus summation of j 1 to n summation over k 1 to n dou square ri divided by dou qj dou qk, this term, and qk dot qj dot plus summation plus 2, I am going to add these two terms to summation of dou square ri divided by dou qj dou t into q dot j. Here actually here j is there, here k, but I have taken qj is equal to qk, that's why I have written it as a 2 summation of dou square ri divided by dou qj dou t into q dot j, and plus this last term as it is, dou square ri divided by dou t square. Here in this relation qj double dot is the generalized acceleration. Okay, this is a expression for generalized acceleration, right?